Oh, Morissette, no, 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 no. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Anthony Show, guys. I am very excited because I am very interested in seeing a part 1, I believe, of the Chuva Choo Choo, Mula, Puso, Morissette Amon, Joanna, Ampil, Edward, Benosa, my enemy for the day because he's trying to take my girl Mori, my sweetheart Morissette Amon. But guys, you guys just told me it's a musically. She's still single, but I don't think she is single because I saw a thing where she was talking with somebody. But which is fine with me. As long as Morissette Amon is happy, I'm happy. If the Mori Nikes are happy, I'm happy, guys. You guys know what is up, guys. Very excited to do this reaction video, guys, because you guys already know I'm gonna get mega jealous. Because like if I see Morissette Amon with another guy, I'm gonna snap. I'll be like, I wanna be that guy. I wanna be that guy. You guys know how I feel. You guys hear me. I love seeing your comments. I'm trying to go through all the comments, but there are so many comments, guys, that I get throughout the day because of like my other videos as well. But I'm glad, willing to put in the time for you guys because I love you guys so much. Just want to give you a cool like thank you announcement. This is wait, let me go to my Instagram because it was recommended to me by Takes me a while to respond to DMs as well. So hold on. Nika Minaj 4907. So I need to start doing more like comment of the day, notification squad of the day, all that stuff, the shout outs. More coming soon. Very excited to present it to you guys. Let's get straight into this video. Guys, I'm ready. This is my first video of the day. So I'm ready. Let's get straight into it. 3, 2, 1. Wait, if you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button on the goal, the road, the journey to 35,000 subscribers, guys. We can do it, guys. Comment what you want to see next. Hit that like button, guys, and share. Let's get straight into the video in 3, 2, 1, and go. Wait, go. I thought that was Mori for a bit. Oh my gosh, Mori. Who is this? I think this is the Jojo guy, the Jojo Riguerra. Oh! Oh, Morissette, no, 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 no. Why am I crying? Why was there a tear about to come out of my eye? If there was a kiss in the... Who knows? There could still be one. There could still be one, man. Okay, this guy's getting too much. A hand in the face of Mori, a hand in the chest of Mori, a kiss in the cheek. You already got what I can get ever. Oh my god. Proposal, oh my gosh. Morissette, just think about that's me one day. I want that to be me one day. Oh my gosh. I was not ready for a kiss scene. I thought more like holding hands and stuff. Morissette Amon's a good actress. I could see her in musicals and movies. Oh my gosh, this guy's getting too much. Putting your hands around my Mori. Oh my god. I would go in for the kiss if I was in that position. Ooh, forehead. Oh my gosh. Jeez Louise. That's so awkward. Oh my gosh. Stop. What the hell? Seriously, guys. Oh yeah. I almost lost my life in this video. Anthony, why would you react to this back to back? You already know what's gonna happen, Anthony. They warned me. They're like, Anthony, beware. Something's gonna happen. Yo, I didn't think they were gonna kiss. Like, when in my reaction video lifetime have I ever seen someone kiss other than Martin, like JD, like JD kissed, but not Marnico, not Seheronimo, did not see any of those kissing actions going on. But guys, this I almost went bazooka, cause the other actress, Miss it's lost, Miss. I don't know. I do not know her name. But she kissed the guy. Morissette looked like she was about to kiss that guy. And I was like, oh hell no. Like luckily I didn't see it live. If I saw it live, I would yell, no! I would pass out as well. You guys already know. You guys know my heart right here. My heart for Morissette Amon. Relax. I think that's it. I think I'm done with the day. I'm gonna call this day GG. Good game. I'm about to like knock out and wake up tomorrow, and it's only like 2:30. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. You know I love to react to Morissette Amon, so please, Moinati or Morissette Amon fans, please recommend more Morissette Amon reaction videos, guys, and I got you. And guys, don't forget I have a playlist up above all the Morissette Amon reaction videos I have done, so you don't want to miss that. Comment what you want to see next video and share. Peace out guys, stay awesome, and I'll see you on my next video. I got it right. What is up guys, welcome back to the Anthony Show. Guys, just want to do a quick announcement before we get straight into this video. Guys, I have my merch. It is out, available in the US only just for now. But guys, I have a description down below of my t-shirts, my long sleeves, and my sweaters that could be found through Amazon. Love the material. It looks great, doesn't it? It's really the real thing. This is a medium on me. I am 5'8". This is also medium. Good quality. Love it. Represent, guys. And hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, so go check it out on the description down below. Without further ado, let's get straight into this reaction.